Deep beneath the ancient seabed, the harvest begins. Raw halite, torn from the earth's grip. A continuous cycle of extraction and transport. The raw material arrives at the gateway of industry. The first transformation, from boulders to manageable stone. The towers release their cargo, summoned forward by the factory's demand.
Through arteries of steel, the product flows, unseen but constant.
Every turn, every drop, monitored by those who know the rhythm of the flow.
Continuous sampling, the laboratory's window into the production line.
Precision measured by the ton, ensuring consistency before refinement. Size becomes order. The screens judge each crystal by its measure.
Compression refines what size alone could not.
All right, you're all set. Thanks.
Hope the new line is running smoother today.
Yeah. Heard they fixed that valve issue overnight.
About time, my back was killing me.
Cleansing begins with motion. Tumble and turn. Shake the unwanted loose.
What is lighter is lifted. What remains is purified.
In the dense bath, truth reveals itself. Pure salt sinks. Imposters float. Skimmed away, discarded without hesitation. Only the worthy proceed. Water departs, leaving crystal bright and cleansed. Heat transforms. Moisture surrenders to the hot breath of industry. Heat transforms. Moisture surrenders to the hot breath of industry. What leaves is only water, returned to the sky from whence it came. From heat to rest, cooling prepares for the final judgment.
Eyes of light examine every grain, seeking imperfection.
In milliseconds, judgment is passed and executed. Size becomes destiny. Each grain finds its kind. Separated, purified, perfected. The salt is now ready to become product.
The final reserve. Here, food-grade salt awaits its destiny.
One final safeguard. Even the smallest fragment has no place here. Vigilance never rests. The metal detector watches silently. Invisible but essential. Iodine joins the salt for public health. Not just salt now, but a vehicle for wellness. Freedom from clumping. A microscopic shield ensures it pours freely.
The 0423 remaining.
Time, the final ingredient. Rest allows chemistry to complete its work.
The final reservoir. From here, the salt meets its vessel.
4 streams, 1 source. Symmetry in production.
Every package will carry its story. A date, a promise.
The moment of truth. Machine and material meet for the first time today.
Machine becomes artist, sculpting empty film into filled form.
Volume by rotation. Every grain counted, every gram guaranteed. In 2 seconds, a package is born. 2 seconds, repeated thousands of times.
The firstborn of the shift, examined, approved, released.
Every package tells its weight. The scale never lies. The firstborn of the shift. Examined, approved, released.
One becomes many. The flow divides to maintain speed. Nothing truly wasted. The rejected return to the beginning to try again.
Perfection demands sacrifice. The underweight are removed without pause.
Beyond sight, X-rays see. What eyes cannot, they reveal.
Eyes of silicon read every character. Accuracy is absolute.
Identity applied in milliseconds. Ink meets film. Story begins.
The canvas awaits. Blank, intentional, ready for identity.
Placed with surgical precision, the empty promise awaits fulfillment.
Cardboard awakened from flatness, shaped by precision air and steel.
Motion does the work. The carton prepares itself.
Cardboard awakened from flatness, shaped by precision air and steel.
Ocean does the work. The carton prepares itself.
Cardboard awakened from flatness, shaped by precision air and steel.
Heat and pressure bond. The foundation is sealed. Chaos to order. 12 become one group, ready for home.
Grace under speed. 12 pouches, one motion, perfect placement.
The journey concludes. Flaps fold, glue bonds, the package is whole.
Identity applied. The carton now speaks its purpose. Order before stacking. Each carton knows its place in line.
Lift, travel, place. Repeat. The dance of automation.
Area looks good, confirming clearance. We are ready for the next batch.
And this is how modern factories produce edible FX salt from start to finish.
The last mile on wheels. Precision guidance to the door of storage. The journey nears its end. The warehouse receives what the factory has made.